Good afternoon, students. You know that we are going through the grammar section, and in the grammar section there is the topic tense. In the last few lectures we have gone through present tense. We have already discussed about present tense and its four forms: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense, with the structure and examples, and where do we use that tense. Next, the second type of the tense, that is past tense, and we have already discussed past tense means the past timing, the gone timing, the past timing. Okay, see, in the past tense there are four forms. Likewise, present tense, past tense has four forms. The title is written forms of past tense. The first form of past tense is simple past tense. As we discuss about simple present tense, in the past tense there is the first form, that is simple past tense. Number second, past continuous tense. The second form of the past tense is past continuous tense. Next, number three, past perfect tense. The third form of the past tense is past perfect tense, and the fourth form of past tense is past perfect continuous tense. These are the four forms of past tense. As we know the forms of present tense, past tense has these four forms. Now at first we have to discuss about the first form of the past tense, that is simple past tense. Look the board, simple past tense. What is the use of this tense? What this tense shows? Simple past tense, right there, simple past tense denotes the action that is happen and separated from present, See here what is written. Simple past tense denotes the action. This tense shows the action. The action that is happen. जी ॲक्शन झालेली आहे ती ॲक्शन या टेन्स मध्ये येते. द ॲक्शन दॅट इज हॅपन म्हणजे घडून गेलेली गोष्ट, एखादी क्रिया, होऊन गेलेली क्रिया या टेन्स मध्ये बोलली जाते. दॅट इज हॅपन अँड सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम प्रेझेंट, अँड इट शुड बी सेपरेट फ्रॉम present. Okay, from this present timing it should be separate. ओके, म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल आज सकाळी झालेली ॲक्शन आताच्या वेळेपासून सेपरेट झाली आहे, थोडीशी अंतराने पुढे गेली आहे, त्या पद्धतीने. ओके, नेक्स्ट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दिस टेन्स. व्हेरी सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर इज दियर. द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सिंपल पास्ट टेन्स इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस V2 plus object etc. Subject plus V2, verb second. V2 means what? V2 means the past form. V2 means the past form of main verb. Okay, V2 It means the past form. For example, eat is a present form and ate is a past form. The third form is eaten. Then run is the first form, ran is a second form, and then run is a third form. Sing, this is the base form. Sang, S-A-N-G, this is the past form. Sang is a past form, and sung, this is past participle form. Okay, these are the second forms: ate, ran, sang. Likewise, we have to use past form and then object last full stop, assertive sentence. What is given after singular or plural? There is no rule. Okay, after subject, though it is singular, though it is plural, after subject we have to use verb second to show the simple past tense, right? Okay, what are the examples? See here. For example, I is a subject and it is first person singular, but there is no need. After each and every subject we can use past form to show the simple past tense. I ate mangoes yesterday. Okay, in this simple past tense you will find the words like yesterday, in last week, etc. Next example, example number second. He ran very fast. Okay, full stop. He ran very fast. Here ran is the second form, ate is the second form, and these second form show simple past tense. Next, people watch an incident 2 days before. Okay, here people watched. Watched is the second form, and this second form shows simple past tense. Next example, children saw a snake in last week. Look here, children is subject and saw is the verb second. This is simple past tense, right? Next example, he met me yesterday. Here he is subject and met, M-E-T, met is the second form of verb. This is simple past tense. Okay, it is very simple that in simple past tense we have to place verb second. It means the past form of verb after the subject, right? Very simple. I think there is no any difficulty in this tense. Now we have to turn towards the next form of the past tense, that is past continuous tense. Now I have to clear this. The second form of the past tense, that is past continuous tense. The title, past continuous tense. Underline should be there because this is the title. In title, the first letter should be capital of main words, and title should have provided the underline. Now see, past continuous tense, we have to write here. This tense denotes the action that was going on at a point of time in past. Okay, look here what is written. This tense means past continuous tense, denotes, shows. Okay, this tense shows the action. Okay, the action that was going on. The action that was going on म्हणजे एखादी घटना जी चालू होती असं दाखवायचं आहे. दॅट वॉज गोइंग ऑन ॲट ए पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इन पास्ट. याचा अर्थ भूतकाळात एखाद्या ठराविक वेळेला एखादी क्रिया चालू होती हे सांगायचं असेल तर हा पास्ट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स वापरला जातो. What is the difference between present continuous tense and past continuous tense? Present continuous tense denotes the action that is going on at the time of speaking. Present continuous tense काय दर्शवतो तर बोलण्याच्या वेळेला एखादी क्रिया चालू आहे असं सांगण्यासाठी प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स. हा पास्ट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स भूतकाळात एखाद्या ठराविक वेळेला एखादी क्रिया चालू होती हे सांगण्यासाठी हा टेन्स वापरला जातो. हा दोन्ही मधला फरक आहे. ओके, नाउ वी हॅव टू राईट हिअर द स्ट्रक्चर. द स्ट्रक्चर इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस वॉज ऑब्लिक वेअर प्लस V4 plus object full stop. This structure is written here. This structure shows assertive sentence. Subject plus was oblique where. In present continuous tense, you will find subject plus am oblique is oblique are plus V4 in present continuous tense. But now here in past continuous tense, what is written? Subject plus was oblique where plus V4. Okay. Was oblique where, these are the past forms of to be, and these past forms show past time. Was oblique where are the past form of to be. What are the present form of to be? Am, is, are the present forms of to be, and was where are the past forms of to be, right? This was where show past time, and then V4 is written here. V4 shows continuous action. We have already discussed. V4 shows continuous action. So this structure has given the name past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, right? Good. Okay, was oblique where plus V4 should be used to show the past continuous action. There are two options, was and where. Where do we use was and where do we use where? We should clear it. See here, after each and every singular subject, after singular subject, we have to place was and V4. Correct? See here what is written. After singular subject, if there is the singular subject, after that singular subject we have to place was and V4. Right? Okay. What are the singular subjects? Yes, I is a first person singular pronoun. Correct? Then he is a third person singular pronoun. She is a third person singular pronoun. It is a third person singular pronoun, right? These are the singular pronouns, singular subjects असले पाहिजेत. Okay. Then a boy is a singular subject. A student is a singular subject. A man is a singular subject. Okay, we have written here the singular subjects, and after these singular subjects what should be placed to show the past continuous action? After singular subject we have to place was and V4 to make past continuous tense. right? Okay, we should now complete the examples here. See the examples. After I, we have to use was. I was watching. Okay, to make past continuous tense, we have to use was oblique where plus V4. V4 means verb plus ing. I was watching TV when my father returned. What is given here? See, I was watching TV. Was watching, this is past continuous tense. And was, I was watching TV. Okay, this is main clause. I was watching TV. In this main clause, there is past continuous tense, and in the subordinate clause, we have used simple past. In the subordinate clause, we have used simple past tense. What is written here? This tense denotes the action that was going on. It means the action was going on. Okay, TV was being watched. TV पाहिली जात होती. ओके, किंवा टीव्ही पाहिली जात होती कुणाकडून? माझ्याकडून. आय वॉज वॉचिंग टीव्ही, पण केव्हा? ॲट ए पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इन पास्ट. मग ॲट ए पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम कोणता? ज्यावेळेस माझे वडील परत आले त्यावेळेस. अशा पद्धतीने वाक्य दिलंय. सो इन द सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज वी हॅव युज्ड सिंपल पास्ट टेन्स हियर, अँड इन द मेन क्लॉज वी हॅव युज्ड पास्ट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स. I was watching TV when my father returned. Was watching is the past continuous tense. Next, he is a singular subject. Okay, he was ringing a bell. Full stop. Was ringing, past continuous tense. She was thinking. Okay, she was thinking. She is subject, was is used here, and thinking is the V4. It was making noise. It was making noise. Yes, it is a singular subject. After this singular we have to use was and then V4. Was making, was thinking. Okay, these verb forms show past continuous tense. A boy was playing with a toy. A boy was playing with a toy. Was playing, this is past continuous tense. A student was reading a newspaper. A student was reading a newspaper. Here was reading is a past continuous tense. A man was buying, B-U-Y-I-N-G. A man was buying food, F-O-O-D. Okay, a man was buying food. Here was plus V-I-N-G shows past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, there are two auxiliary verbs, was and where. These two auxiliary verbs shows past timing. Okay, and after singular subject we have to use was and V4. There is no exception of I. Okay, I is a singular subject. After I there is was. He is a singular subject. After he there is was. Right? We have written here the examples. Now you have to write that examples in your notebook. Next is after plural subject, what should we use? in the past continuous tense. If there is plural subject, how can the examples be made? See, if the subject is plural, after the plural subject we have to place where and then V4. Okay. What are the plural subject? For example, we is a first person plural pronoun. You, this is second person plural pronoun. They, this is third person plural pronoun. Then boys, plural pronoun is there. Girls, this is plural pronoun. People, okay, this is plural pronoun. Then birds, this is plural pronoun. Okay, this is plural noun, sorry. See here, after these plural subject we have to place where plus V4. After these plural subjects we have to place where. Subject can be noun or pronoun. Okay, we are speaking about. See, we have to make the examples. After each and every plural subject we have to use where in past continuous tense. For example, we were. We were cleaning our bag. We were cleaning our bag. Next, you were checking patients. Next, they were watching us. Okay, were watching past continuous, were checking past continuous, were cleaning past continuous. Then boys were buying some books. This is past continuous. Girls were drawing a picture. This is past continuous. Were drawing, were buying. Then people were cutting the wood. Here were cutting is past continuous, and birds were flying in the sky. Birds were flying in the sky. Were flying is past continuous, right? Today in this lecture we have covered simple past tense, its structure and its examples and its use we have discussed, and past continuous tense, its use, its structure and examples we have discussed here. Now we have to stop. Okay, you have to send me at least 20 examples of simple past tense and past continuous tense, okay, as a revision. Now we have to stop here. Thank you very much.